Welcome to the tutorial series for LocalSim. Before proceeding, make sure to view the previous parts of the series. This video will give instructions on editing and saving and loading road networks. When creating a road network, some parts might have curved sections. To replicate curved road sections on the map guide, this software uses split nodes. To create such nodes, make sure that there are no buttons active in the toolbar. Right-click on a road, then click the Add Split button, then drag the newly created node to match the curvature. Increasing the number of split nodes allows finer replication of the road curvature. Creating different scenarios for sections of the road network is an important step in road network traffic flow analysis. Thus, this software has tools to make editing sections of the road easier. The first tool is the Undo tool, which will undo the last action done to the canvas. To use the Undo tool, select the Tools menu shown here, then click on the Undo Action button. The next tool is the Delete Item tool, which removes the selected road section. To use this Delete tool, make sure that there are no buttons selected in the toolbar, then right-click the road to be removed. After right-clicking, click on the Delete button to delete the road. A prompt will show to confirm the action. Then click OK to confirm the action. The road will now be deleted from the canvas. The last tool is the Edit Properties tool, which edits the road properties. To use the Edit tool, make sure that there are no buttons selected in the toolbar, then right-click the road to be edited. After right-clicking, click on the Properties button to edit. A prompt will be shown that will allow editing of information. After editing the information, click the Create button shown here. The road is now edited according to the new properties. To save a road network, click on the File menu and click the Save Map button. A prompt will appear. Type the name of the file here, then click the Save Map File button. The road network file is now saved. To load a road network, click on the File menu and click the Load Map button. A prompt will appear, which will show files that can be loaded to the software. These files are called LocalSim map files. Double-click on a file to be loaded to the software. If done correctly, the road network should appear in the canvas and can now be edited. This ends the video for editing road networks.